Hi everyone, today we are going to make a video how to fix iPhone 12 Pro Max the screen damage. We have an iPhone 12 Pro Max here. The screen is broken and we are going to replace it with some easy steps. I will show you step by step where we can do it here. Let's start, and we can see here that the screen is shattered, and sometimes it get ghost passwords. If you see like is pressing the password, better is that better is to turn off the device if it's possible. If not, we can turn off by clicking plus minus and holding the power for a long time until the device will be turned off. In this moment we will take out the two screws that are on the back of the phone. One screw does not come out, is damaged, or maybe it was repaired before and is a wrong screw. But where we can do it, we can try with our tools. This is a small blade, we can try to open it. We open it. This screen is not original, it looks, because does not have any sticker in the back, and also has this device has water damage before, because I do see the red mark here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, the red mark here and over here. When the device has a red mark like that, it means that it got water in the past, and yeah, we need to let the customer know that the device has a water mark on the inside of the phone. As I mentioned before, that this device is repaired before, and we do see here the screws that other repair centers put it is a short screw, is not the longer one as the iPhone 12 Pro Max have it. This is the longer one, but here has a short one and is inside of the device. We will try if we can take it out. If not, we will apply glue from another side of the screw to press the screen, to keep it the screen and to keep it close to the screen and press it down. First thing that we need to do, take it out the battery, take out the connector of the battery, and after we can take it out the screen. Now we can replace, or we can take it out the speaker, the ear speaker where is the Face ID. We need to make very careful here. Sometimes when we try to replace the Face ID, it get damaged. This device, as I said before, that get water issues, and the problem might be very difficult. Sometimes it shows no Face ID, or the Face ID does not work. Okay, let me take it out, this one. Yeah, this is a Face ID and this is a bad screen. We can throw away this one and we are going to put the new screen. First we will apply a glue around the screen to make it water resistant. Okay, I will try to take it out the screw if it's possible. We will try with a magnet first. With magnet does not come out. Let's try with the tools. It doesn't because it's very short. No, it doesn't. We can't waste more time with it. What we can do right now, like I said, we apply glue and the glue will hold the screen down and keep it like connected with a frame. And also another screw that works will not let the screen to pop up easy. Now we can install the Face ID and the speaker, like ear speaker on the top. Okay, now we can connect the screen to the motherboard. Okay, we can connect the battery and we can install the plate, metal plate back to the place. Put the screws. It's very important to take those two kind of metal on the top of the screen to straight little bit like up, because those will be locked here on the top of the screen. and will keep the screen down, because on the bottom the screen has a screw and the glue that we put on the top has those two metal things that need to connect it to the top of the frame. Okay, now we can turn on the device. In meantime, we can put the only one screw that works. Yeah, phone is ready. It say waiting for 8 hours because was ghost the password many times from the screen that was damaged, the digitizer. And yeah, the customer need to wait like around 7 hours and everything works and the phone is back to life. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We are going to make another video, another electronic device repair next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.